What is a sales funnel, and is the traditional website dead? Watch this video to find out. Hey, what's up? My name is Amanda and I'm an online marketer, and I'm here to tell you that the traditional website truly is dead. Now let me start off by telling you what a sales funnel is and why you need one. So in a nutshell, a sales funnel is basically a way to funnel a whole bunch of people into buying services from your business or products. And the reason why you want to funnel them in is because nowadays, I'm sure you've read the statistics, people have barely any attention. So we need to really get them focused on what the task at hand is, and that's how we really just get them to buy. Otherwise, your traditional website is basically just sitting there kind of like a brochure, and a brochure doesn't really do anything for you. People look at it and go, well, maybe I learned some things, but whatever. And it's not like a sales funnel, which is more like a salesperson. It leads the customer step by step through the benefits, overcoming the objections, and making the sale, as well as upselling them. Here's a very simple diagram on why this works. So on one end you have the value, on the other end you have the price. And so basically the more value you provide, the higher you can charge for the price. And the idea is to get people to walk up the value ladder. And so in the long run, you make more money, and as well, you can put them onto a continuity program. Why exactly is this so important for your business, especially in the online world? I'll tell you why. Whoever can spend the most money to acquire a customer wins. So what exactly does that mean? Well, we can take McDonald's as an example. They market you the cheeseburger, which basically they don't make any money off of after all the advertisements and getting you in the door and all that. Where they make their money is the upsell. So would you like to make that a meal, or would you like to supersize that? That's where they make their money. The burger is the upfront thing that people really want. And so the same ideas and concepts apply to you in your business, especially if you're in a highly competitive niche. If you already have a website with a landing page and you want a little bit of a critique, put your link to your website down in the comments below, and I will give you my thoughts on that, as well as our community can give you their thoughts as well. So let me show you a quick example with an acupuncture industry. So highly competitive, tons of acupuncturists out there. How do the people know if they should go to you? How do you even compete with everyone else who can spend more money? So I took two different landing pages from people running ads for their acupuncture business or organization. The first one is this one, where it looks like it's a like some sort of event they're trying to get people to go to, which is totally fine. It doesn't really matter exactly what the product is, but you'll see here that this is a typical website. This is not a true sales funnel or true landing page. A true landing page has no other navigation. And the reason why is because you want that focus. So you see up here, this is distracting. When the person lands here, yes, maybe they might see, wow, this is so beautiful, I'm gonna register here. But you see, first of all, register now is not prominent. It's not a major call to action. You're mostly focused on the video in the background and the navigation at the top. Now, even if we scroll down, we kind of start to lose a little bit. I don't know. This is a bit too distracting in my opinion, further down. Up here, it's okay, but now you're coming down here. Now it's becoming a bit distracting. You can't really read the text. And even when you first land on it, most people, they're really lame and they don't really want to read too much stuff. So, you know, when I first landed here, I was like, symposium, what are you guys doing? I'm not even reading this. I don't even care. Location, I don't even know where that is because the picture in the background is too distracting. Oh, tickets. Okay, this is some sort of event. So now the bottom, finally, I'm seeing what this is. But you see now here is where things could get interesting. You could have just one ticket, register now, 1 ticket, and then upsell the premium on the next page. So now let me show you another example. Okay, so a little bit different organization as these guys are teaching the acupuncture, but you'll see here, this is just a really basic page. The only thing to do is to scroll down. And when you click on the button, take me to the next step, it takes you here. Even if I decide to scroll down further and read more, when I click learn more, it takes me again back to this form. So what they really want you to do is to fill out the form. So why don't I do that? Now you see their main call to action was to just get you to give them their contact information. Why is this so important? Because the fortune is in the follow-up in the online world. Now, most people online will not buy from you on the first, second, third, even fourth time. It shows statistically that most purchases are done on the 7th or even 10th or more exposure to your offer. So that's why capturing that lead is so important, and then following up with them to really make those sales. Yes, of course you're going to have those people who are hyperactive buyers and they just buy straight away. But if you really want to be that person who wins, you need to be able to spend the most money, which means you need to be able to take every single lead or every opportunity that you have and follow up with them, create an upsell, and basically just make more money. That is how you will win. And that is achieved with a sales funnel. So if you click on the link down below and join my free Facebook group, I'm going to give you access to a ton of tools and resources that you can use to get started making your sales funnel. A lot of them are free, some of them are paid, but even just by joining the group, you'll have a ton of support from other online marketers in all sorts of industries, and as well from me. So go ahead, click that link in the description below, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.